Hey, this is Teacher Emmanuel. I bet you didn't know that 3 simple words can skyrocket your English fluency. Hey there. Today, we're diving into 3 magic words that'll boost your confidence in English. Ready? Let's go. First up, actually, this word helps you sound more natural and relaxed. For example, I actually like spinach. See how it adds a little punch? Another example, I actually finished the project early. Next, literally, use it to stress a point. Like, I am literally starving. Just remember not to overdo it. Another example, the movie was so funny, I was literally rolling on the floor laughing. And finally, definitely, this shows certainty. Try saying, I definitely need a vacation. Feel strong, right? Another example, I definitely agree with you. So there you have it. Actually, literally, and definitely. Practice these and watch your English fluency soar. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you'll be chatting away like a native in no time. Happy learning.